Something that's really great right here is the facilities and the location. So first of all, the bedrooms themselves are fantastic. It's quite small flats with up to about 4 other people sharing. So it's a really social aspect. You still get to share with flatmates and build those social relationships. But it's a lot quieter and less noisy than some of the other accommodations. I think also what's fantastic is the ensuite facilities. It makes sure that you can have your own space and your own privacy, whilst also being able to share all of the rest of the facilities. You get your own things like a shower and bathroom, which is fantastic. The facilities inside the flat are fantastic as well. What's really good is the kitchen facilities, lots of essentials like the hobs, the microwave, and also some really good luxuries like big fridges and freezers, and plenty of room for cupboards to share all of your stuff and make sure that you have everything you need when you move in. The location is fantastic as well. It's based approximately 20 minutes from the university, with a nice walk through the Botanics every morning and evening to go to the university if you fancy that, or a longer route around towards Great Western Road. It's also a fantastic location nearby to areas like Barrs Road for the shops and the university itself, and for Mary Hill for places like a larger Tesco, and also medical facilities like the doctors. And you don't have to go far to use our easy laundry facilities based right here in Central Services. Outside of the flats themselves, there's fantastic spaces like here in the common room for people to socialise with games like table tennis, and then to watch TV or lounge around in our study area.